Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LTZ. The LTZ is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine, made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Silverado LTZ, we have power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, 4x4, as well as your adjustability for your driving modes, trailer mode, heads-up display controls, and automatic headlights, fog lights, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control and audio controls, paddle shifters on the reverse side, full digital gauge cluster as well, push-button ignition, made it up with the 13.4-inch large touchscreen. The vehicle is equipped with the Google operating system, so Google Maps, Google Assistant, and Play Store. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating, integrated chiller braking system. We do have the automatic shift knob now in the center console. All black interior with Bose audio. We have the live streaming camera system as well. It does flip back to the mirror. You have your sunroof controls over top, and again the beautiful leather heated and ventilated LTZ seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the LTZ Silverado, we have the beautiful 22-inch steel rims. We are waiting for the 22-inch wheel and tire package. We have the Bridgestone all-season tires, chrome accent door handles with keyless entry, automatic running boards underneath the cab of the vehicle, chrome mirror caps with the camera system, Silverado badging on the front fender. At the front of the truck, we do have the 6.2 liter on the hood, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals as well, fog lights in the bottom of the grille with recovery hooks, with the parking sensors, camera system, black bow tie, as well as the chrome LTZ grille. Making our way to the back of the crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped, and your 4x4 decal. Towards the rear, chrome rear accenting bumper with parking sensors, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, as well as your Silverado LTZ branded tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, second row leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. A sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with the dome lighting, as well as a single pane sunroof. We do have your 3-stage heated seat controls, USB ports, and rubberized floor liners installed from the factory. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado LTZ. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.